Hey guys, Brendan from TAT here. I'm just reminding you about the diagnostic training that I've got coming up, face-to-face stuff. So particularly Adelaide, keep your ears out here because we have changed the date. So we've got 3 states set at the moment. We're heading to Western Australia in Perth on Saturday the 15th of October, and we'll be heading to ACT on Saturday the 22nd of October. And then Adelaide, we've recently changed the date there, so we'll now be in Adelaide Saturday the 29th of October so that we don't crash with the AFL Grand Final. Don't want to get in the way of a football game or a beer, obviously. So what are we going to be learning there? So it's called the diagnostic process, focusing heavily on scan tool usage, but not how to use every scan tool that's out there. It's not a button pressing operation or how to get through menus. This is how to utilize your scan tool to the fullest, no matter what you're using, inside that diagnostic process, which is the overarching umbrella of what we want to learn throughout the whole day. So we're going to be talking a lot about OBD, Mode 6, some specific vehicle type actuations, special functions that you may not be aware of, specific scan tools that are good for specific makes and things like that. So you may be able to go, well, I work on a lot of these, maybe I need to start looking into that. But what I want you to take from the whole day is the diagnostic process. So while using our scan tool and other tools, we focus heavily on, as I quickly flick through here, focus heavily on taking the customer in, what questions we can ask and gather as much information as we can, how we can gather evidence, how we can best analyse that evidence, how we can charge correctly and know that we've got a good repair. We'll talk pretty heavily now that Right to Repair has passed on manufacturer scan tools, manufacturer websites, secure gateways. So if anyone isn't familiar with them, when you're talking your 2018 to 2020 for some manufacturers going forward, most manufacturers are looking at and already have implemented secure gateways just to be able to use your aftermarket even scan tools on their vehicles. So if that's something that you've never looked into, that's well worth the time to come down and check out what we've got for the day anyway. A very interesting topic that's going to affect every workshop going forward. So take a look at the link that we've got there, guys. Check out the dates, get a bit more information and have a read through there. Been great for the last couple of states that we've gone to. The guys that attended have been a really good group, and it was not even just the content that we had there, but sometimes just getting in a room with that many high-level techs, you're bound to come across some good information. So take a look, and I hope to see you there, guys.